Hello everyone, I803866SX, and I was given a task to do from the wife. See, these bracelets are the task. These were originally reported in non-working condition. One I got working. Just a simple little thing, you press a button and it flashes. And it's got a handful of flashing patterns and different colors. And not too many people have those at concerts or other events, so yes, the idea was very good behind that. Guess what the problem was with that one? I'll give you a minute, maybe a second. It's on towards the right-hand side of your screen. Give up? This little plastic tab right here. All I had to do was pull it out, and it was good to go. So, yeah. Unfortunately, with the other one that I started getting apart, we're not going to be so lucky. I have no idea what we're going to be heading ourselves into here. This one does not work. So we're going to tear it apart and see if we can fix this one too. If we can bat 0.1 or 1 point, bat 100, yeah. So this little rubber thing comes off, and oh, it actually comes off fairly easy. And I can have a feeling this is going to be too easy. We're going to have a very short video on our hands. This is going to be a very short video. So yeah, this is literally, they're user replaceable batteries, so it would appear. Let's get them out of there. Let's see what we got going on here. I know they're 20 something. Ooh, this is going to be potentially a good one. They are CR 2016s with, they got some crap on them. It looks like there's some corrosion on these, which I have never, ever, in my many years of dealing with this, have ever seen corrosion on one of these coin batteries. But, unless you did something stupid with them. But, here we go. We have a first on this channel. Let's see how bad they are. Maybe both of them are shot. I'm not going to put either one back in regardless, because I don't like these Chinesium brands anyway. That one appears to be okay. That one is dead. So, yeah, that's that pretty much answers our question. And I didn't even pay attention to the size. We know it's 20-something, and these are ordinary CR 2016s. You may have to take my word for it here. CR 2016. Cool. Let's throw those out. Now let's look in the old box hut here and see what we can find. These are 2025. Oh, there's a 2016. That is. There's one. And there's two. Let's see if I have any more of these. I'd rather match brands if I could do that. And it looks like that I can. Hold on. So we're going to put Energizer. Here's another one. Here's two. Amazon Basics. This one's got a little bit longer shelf life, the Energizer, so I'll put that one away for now. But these Amazon Basic ones, yeah, it's got a much shorter shelf life compared to the Energizer, and I don't even know if that's in the coin battery, if that's actually entirely true, but yeah, this could be a very boring repair, folks. One. You know, some of you are going to say, oh, you're cutting too close to the battery. I'm cutting on the line. But yes, that is one thing with lithiums, you always keep, or any battery for that matter, is you don't really want to short them out, but especially not lithiums. And they're child-proof packaging. Alright, so that's good. much demolished the packaging, so I might as well toss that. And let's make sure, not that I anticipate anything, but 3.28. 3.28. Yep, that's good to go. So we, from a voltage standpoint, should be ready to go once we put these in, provided there's not any other interesting problem. So they in, they work. Hope it turns other. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right. Well, we got that. Our honey to-do list completed. We have ourselves 2 working one of these bracelets. That third pattern is almost perfect for Pride Month. Sorry for those that, not sorry for those that don't care about that, but we do on this channel. But let's put these back together. Got it in place. And we working. Although I wonder if there's a way to change the colors on these. Oh, there we go. That one changes color. Oh, there we go. Regardless, working. Thank you for watching. I apologize, it was a lot more boring than I anticipated, but well, at least we got the honey to-do list done, and that's probably more important. So, thank you for watching. Have a good one.